Today we're going to speak about the digital frame that came from me from campfire.com, the specialist at photography. It's from Andoer. It has a TFT LED display, slick made black rosewood acrylic frame, displays photo, MP3 WMA without a computer. It's compatible with SD or MMC, easy remote control operation, variable images display intervals, displays JPEG images, MP3 WMA music. It has built-in stereo speakers, and you can adjust brightness, colors and contrast. It has multi-language menu. Let's have it's in black, the one that came at me. Let's open it. Here we see the manual written in English and other languages. For the AC adapter, the power adapter. This, we'll see it for what it is. The remote controller. And the frame itself. Let's put the box aside. Here, Andoer. We see here it has for SD MMC card slot. It has a USB slot. This is very good, very practical. You don't have to search for mini USB or something like that. It also has for a USB 2, which is with a mini USB. And for the power, you can control the functions of the digital frame from here: play, stop, forward, backward, next, menu, the power button. Here are the speakers, specs. So this one here that we showed before, it goes here and is used in order to stabilize our digital frame. Let's connect it with the power. To see here it says the time, date, a menu. Now with the remote control you can change settings, calendar, explorer, music, photo, movies. If we set it to the calendar, we see a clock, an analog clock with a date, with what day is today, the hour, now I have a USB ready to connect it. So, photos from the remote. We see the photos that I have inserted inside the USB stick. music. You can lower the volume with the remote or increase it. Very strong music. And a movie. And you can have images with the music playing at the background. All this from the remote. You see here, photo, music. Now, in order the remote control to function, you will need battery 2025. Write it down because unfortunately nowhere it's written inside the manual. So I had to search in order to find what kind of battery it's using, but it uses the 2025 type battery and works that's nice. It's a really good frame, steady. I really like the ability, the feature that has that can take USB stick directly, and you don't have to search around for mini USB and these kind of things. Everyone nowadays has USB, so you fill it up with images and music or video you want to have, and you plug it in the digital frame and it's ready. Really nice. So if you want to grab it, go to campfire.com or see my review at igeekphone.com, and in my YouTube channel you can always find reviews of whatever I have in my possession. Thank you for watching me.